Look, most guys try too hard and end up pushing women away. But the truth is, if you do the opposite of what 99% of guys are doing, she'll start chasing you instead. Imagine this. She is sitting with her friend, laughing, but in the back of her head, she's thinking about you. Sounds impossible, right? You think? No, it's not. And today I'm gonna show you how to make it happen. I just got back from the gym, so let's dive in. Number one, why being the nice guy backfires. Here's what I see way too often. Guys go all in from day one. You are picking her up, paying for the date, bringing flowers, planning everything. Meanwhile, all she has to do is show up and look pretty. Now don't get me wrong. There is nothing wrong with being generous, respectful, and being a gentleman. That's great. But if she's not putting in any effort while you're doing everything, that's a red flag. See, when a woman gets used to you doing it all, she starts taking. That's the norm. She feels like she deserves it, not because she earned it, but because you've trained her to expect it from you. And here's the twist: the more you do without receiving anything back, the less she respects it. You become too nice, you become predictable, and she starts losing interest in you. You don't want that. You are no longer a prize, you are a provider, a backup plan, a walking wallet, and that is not attractive long term, I can assure you. Number two, you need to flip the script. You need to make her invest in you. Here's the shift you need to make. Stop trying to earn her, make her earn you. This doesn't mean being cold or manipulative, it means understanding your own value and not giving it away for free. Let me be clear. Women have money, time, and energy. They just usually don't invest it in dating because why? Society has taught them that the men should do all the heavy lifting. That's why they don't have to. But that only works if you're okay being disposable. Here's what you do instead. Start small, ask for things, expect things from her. If she's coming over, you can say something like, "Hey, can you grab me some snack or a drink on your way?" That sounds basic, right? But now she's doing something for you. She's putting in effort, she's investing. That's what we want. Or if she invites you out, let her pick up the tab. You don't always have to be the one swiping your card, you know that, right? Let her pay. Don't fight her on it. If she planned it, she can pay, right? Let her feel like she's putting her time and money into you. It doesn't have to be expensive. It could be something small like bringing a bottle to a party, cooking for you, or even planning a date. These are acts of investment. When people invest, they become more attached, and that includes women. Number three, don't view sex as a transaction. A huge mistake guys make is thinking that sex is her version of investment. No, it's not. The harsh truth is that many women have casual sex with people they barely care about. So if she sleeps with you, it doesn't mean that she's into you. No. Don't fall into that trap. You can't build a real connection on sex alone. No. That's just biology. What matters more is how much of her life she's willing to share with you. Let her invest those into you, her time, her energy, her attention. That's how you know she's genuinely interested. Number four, don't pay for everything. No. Let's say you're long distance, she's in another city, another state, and she wants to come visit. Let her book her own trip. Let her pay her own ticket. Let her use her own money and time to make it happen. Why? Because once she invests like that, she's serious. She's serious about you. That flight isn't just a ticket, it's a commitment, and that's what we want. We want her to invest. She's going to think about you before, during, and after the trip. She's going to want a return on her investment. And that return is your presence, your time, and your affection, not expensive dinners or gift cards. No. Let her show you that she is in. Number 5. Women chase what they don't fully understand. Here is another gem. Mystery creates attraction. When you tell her everything you feel, when you test her non-stop, when you tell her you're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen, after 2 dates, bro. After 2 dates, you can imagine that. You're saying this. You are giving away too much too soon. Slow it down. Let her miss you. Let her question where she stands. That curiosity, that uncertainty, that's fuel for her. That's what makes her keep thinking about you, and that's what we want. I'm not saying ignore her or be cold. I'm saying control your energy. Let your actions speak. Let the mystery build naturally. Number 6. Don't be Mr. Too Nice too fast. Women don't consciously want a jerk, but when a guy is overly nice, especially too early, it can come off as insecure, desperate, or low value. No, you don't want that. Again, being kind is great, but being kind with no standard is not attractive. Don't smother her with compliments after the first date. No. Don't flood her with good money tests every day. No. Let her miss you. Let her chase you a little. The idea that if I'm the nicest guy, she will stay just isn't real life, bro. Wake up. She might enjoy it for a while, but she won't value it unless she feels like she earned it. That's human nature, not just women. We all value what we work for. Number 7. If she's not grateful, she's not for you. At the end of the day, if you do everything and she offers nothing in return, no appreciation, no effort, no consistency, she's not the right one. You're not being too demanding by expecting balance, right? You're just protecting your time and energy. Relationships are not one-sided. In the moment you start expecting her to do more, whether it's picking a restaurant, initiating plan, or showing love, you'll see who's really about you. And number 8, the last one, you are the prize and you need to act like it. Most women say there aren't many good men out there, so when they find one, they know it's rare. But if you act like you are easily replaceable, she'll believe you are. You need to act like you are the prize. Not in an arrogant way, because we don't like arrogant people. Arrogant is not attractive, whether it's men or women. Again, not in an arrogant way, but in a grounded, confident way. When you carry yourself like a man who values himself, people feel it. They feel your presence. They feel your energy. You don't chase love, you attract it. You don't beg for attention, you command respect. You don't overgive to get affection. You let people earn access to your life. That is the difference between a man who is wanted and a man who is used. You don't want to be used by women. You want to be respected. This isn't about manipulating women, no. It's about stopping the cycle of overgiving and expecting nothing in return. It's about demanding balance, expecting effort, and protecting your energy. So remember, number 1, make her invest time, energy, and yes, money. Number 2, stay mysterious, give less, observe more. Number 3, Don't chase, attract. And number 4, always know your value. If a woman truly wants you, she will show up. She will give back. She will work to keep you. And if she doesn't, she was never really into you to begin with. That is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if this helps you shift your mindset. And remember, the right one will always rise to your level. Don't drop yours to meet theirs. See you next time.